Hello children, today we will talk about the Panchayatraj system. My dear children, this is the last topic of the chapter called Federalism. So dear children, in India, the rural government, it is popularly known by the name called Panchayatraj. So it is the local government. It is the third tier of government where the power is given to the third tier of government. Because my dear children, yesterday I was telling you about the importance of decentralizations in India. So since the Indian societies, which is very larger, or the Indian states are very large, very big, or popularly it is diverse in nature, due to that the decentralizations was made in order to make the administrative systems more effective and at the same time to involve actively all the citizens in the process of decision making. The third tier of government was accepted in Indian society. So dear children, here when we talk about the Panchayatraj systems, and here each villages as well as the group of villages, they form the Panchayatraj here. So who forms the Panchayatraj here? When several villages as well as group of villages, when they come together, it forms the Panchayatraj. So this is a council which is consisting of several wards or panch, and after that we see the president as well as the sarpanch, who is the head of the panchayat, and these representatives of these panchayats are directly elected by the people itself. And the Panchayatraj, it is been working under the control of Gram Sabha. So the Gram Sabhas, they used to meet twice as well as thrice a year in order to pass the budget. So my dear children, in this local government, we see in order to pass the annual budget or in order to look after the work of the panchayat system, there is a Gram Sabha, and this Gram Sabha, they used to have meetings 2-3 times in a year. They used to look after the work, pass the budget, at the same time look the situations of the villages, and after that they used to discuss in order to develop the Panchayat Raj. So my dear children, here we see that in each villages in the Indian society there is a Panchayat Raj systems, and in Panchayat there is ward member, there is sarpanch, who are actively working in order to develop the panchayats in village level. And at the same time we see that when several panchayats comes together, it used to forms a mandal. It used to forms a mandal here. After that we see the local governments, which is giving the structures right up to the district level. And in the district level we see the Jilla Parishad. And here how the Jilla Parishad is forming? When all the panchayat samitis in a districts, when they comes together, there they constitute the Jilla Parishad here. So here all panchayats were coming together, and after coming together they are forming the Jilla Parishad here. And who is the head of the Jilla Parishad? It is the Jilla Parishad chairpersons. In short form it is called JPC. And in this Jilla Parishad, the MLAs, the MPs, as well as the government bodies who are part of its member, And in Jilla Parishad, what they used to do? They used to look after the developmental work of the districts. My dear children, apart from that, we see in big cities, in big town, there is a municipality corporations, and the municipality corporations who are working actively in towns and cities. And what is the role of municipalities? The municipality is to look after the development work of the cities as well as the towns where the municipality corporations are there. So my dear children, here both these local bodies which are controlled by the elected representatives, and here the mayor is the head of the municipality corporation. Who is the head of the municipality corporations? It is the mayor. And in India at presently there is 36 lakhs representatives who are working actively in panchayat level, at the same time in municipality corporations. So my dear children, here in these topics we have learned about the role of Panchayatraj systems. The Panchayatraj systems, it is the local government who is actively working at village level, at city level, at towns levels in order to develop the local area in Indian society. Thank you so much for listening to me.